Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the rear engine mount or the rear transmission mount on Fiat Tipo 1.4 petrol. The rear engine mount is located on the bottom of the car. It's located behind the engine and the transmission. It's located just above this engine under tray. It's located right there. To get access to the rear engine mount, first we need to remove the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, you'll find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that the engine under tray is removed, we have access to the rear engine mount. This engine mount is held by a couple of bolts. This one is one of them. We need to remove this one there, and then there is another three that we need to remove. We'll start by removing this bolt. Next, we're going to remove that bottom bolt right there. You can see that bolt we can't remove because of the exhaust, so in order to get access to remove that bolt, first we need to remove another three bolts that are here on the top. These are the three bolts that we need to remove. 1, 2 and 3 bolts. Once we remove those three bolts, the whole engine mount assembly will come out. To remove the bolts, so we need an extension, and just over the exhaust we take them out most easily with a gun. That's the three bolts removed, and now I can take out the engine mount. Now I'll show you a closer view of the engine mount. You can see the condition of it is really bad. This engine mount definitely needs to be replaced. You can see it actually, this thing came out of the engine mount. This is the new engine mount that I'm going to use, and this is the part number for it. Now I'm going to put it back on in the exact reverse way. First I'm going to put this assembly on and put the bolt through, and then I'm going to put the engine mount in its place, the assembly on, and put on the three bolts on the assembly and on the engine mount. First I'm going to put that bolt that holds the engine mount. I'm not going to tighten them all yet, I'm just going to put it in place. Then I'm going to put on the other three bolts. I'm going to use my gun to tighten the 3 bolts, and then I'm going to tighten the bolt underneath. Now I'm going to put the nut onto that bolt and tighten the bolt. Afterwards, you assemble everything else in the reverse order. That's how you replace the rear engine mount on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.